Some retailers, they didn't do that well this holiday season. Look at this. Macy's, Victoria's Secret, as in L Brands, Kohl's, all struggling. Let's bring in Burt Flickinger, Managing Director of Strategic Resource Group. All right, those three, what happened?
Retail ice age, all three. So they'll be the survivors. They'll thrive. Macy's.com, seventh largest online retail. The rest of retail train wreck under the Christmas tree, in part from Fed Chair Jerome Powell scaring people with the stock market in December, slowed spending significantly.
But it was a terrific holiday selling season.
Record. So Macy's, to its credit, was up 1.9%, 0.7 in December.
So why was it down 18%?
Because the analysts are Mensa Society candidate morons, and they estimated that Macy's would be up 4 to 5% instead of 2, and they.
Is that it?
Yeah,
really?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
The analysts said, oh, they're going to go up 4 and 5%. They didn't. They went up 2%.
Yeah.
So down they go 18%.
That's it.
That is ridiculous. I'm sorry. I find that absolutely ridiculous. Where's Macy's now? Down some more.
Again.
Is that the analysts again?
Analysts again. Macy's stock, huge dividend. Macy's is going to be the winner from the Sears liquidation that's going to come inevitably. And Macy's is the beneficiary of the Bon-Ton Carson's,
What's the
Herberger's. It's
what?
a chain of 6 stores in the Midwest. They liquidated. Macy's is going to be a big beneficiary there. Penny's is struggling. Macy's is a survivor. And last one standing and winning.
You don't give recommendations on stocks. I don't think you do.
Sometimes.
OK, well, would you buy Macy's at this current price?
I would. There are very few safe harbors. I'd buy Sprouts Farmers Market. SFM, it's killing Whole Foods, owned by Amazon.
Susan wants to have a go at it.
Well, I'm just curious because MasterCard, $850 billion was spent over the holiday period, best in 6 years. Are you saying they weren't going to Macy's and Kohl's and Targets?
I'm saying they were going to Macy's and Kohl's. Macy's up 102%, Kohl's up 105%. But the
Does that sound like disappointing sales to you?
But the rest of you, it's the Dickens-esque, Charles Dickens, first line tale of two cities, best of times, worst of times. Still very good times for Macy's and Kohl's, but the rest of retail an accelerating ice age. So you were going from 400% overstored in the U.S. to 150% overstored in bricks and mortar. So while retail is contracting, they're selling all the retail stocks instead of picking a few of the ones that are still positive. Your present points, Susan, Macy's, Kohl's, Amazon, Walmart, Costco, BJ's. If people are buying on price and promotion, and those retailers that are good at both, like those, are still winning.
All right. Cue the organ music, please, because we're going to talk about Sears. They kind of got brought back to life. I think it was a bankruptcy judge, a $5 billion move into Sears by Eddie Lampert, OK? Yeah. Come on, just cut to the chase. When are they going out?
They should be going out Monday. Bankruptcy Judge Bob Drain has a really regrettable record of letting the bankruptcy firms, Weil, Gotshal, and others run roughshod over the creditors. Lampert's a lifetime loser, Doug will illuminate it. But a guy who's been negative on same-store sales for 50 consecutive quarters should not be allowed anywhere near this company. And it's George Orwellian 1984, the last Sears store standing near the U.S. and Canadian border. Plenty of merchandise. Shoppers are so scared they're not shopping.
They're gone.
Yeah.
Right. What about replacing Sears stores with Whole Foods stores?
Not working because Whole Foods already tried converting the Bon-Ton department store. Store was supposed to do $1.2 million a week. It's doing less than $300,000 a week. Colleen Wegman and Wegmans, Joe Dash and Dashes are eating them alive on Niagara Falls Boulevard, again near the Canadian border. It's the only Whole Foods Amazon combined store up there. Should have spectacular success, but the department store conversion not working.
Sometimes you say so much, I find it hard to follow. But, you know, you got it all in, lad. You did that. Thank you very much indeed. All right, but thanks a lot.
Thank you.